Welcome back everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to fix your iPhone not vibrating when you get a call on iOS 18. So when you get a call and the phone is not vibrating, then let me show you how you can fix this. So there are three settings which you need to tweak, and I'll show you this now. So first you need to go into settings. Next you need to scroll down until you see sounds and haptic. Now from here, you want to go ahead and scroll down until you see ringtone. Now in this ringtone page here, you need to find haptics. Haptic is basically responsible for the vibration on your phone. So as it reads, it's currently set to none. So go ahead and tap on that. And now you want to go ahead and choose what vibration you want. Now once you've chosen that, go back and go back again. And where it says sounds and haptic, you want to find haptics again, which is right here. Tap on it. And now as you can see, it's currently set to never play. So whenever you get a call, it'll never vibrate. So here you need to set it to always play. So haptics will play when the iPhone rings or receives an alert. So now go back. And now after this, you can go ahead and try if your phone is vibrating or not. If your phone is still not vibrating, then you need to go into your control center. You need to go to your focus mode, and you need to make sure do not disturb focus mode is not selected. If do not disturb is selected, then whenever you get a call, you won't get any vibration on it. So you need to make sure do not disturb is turned off. And there you go guys. That is how to fix an iPhone not vibrating when you get a call on iOS 18. Now if you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.